jacked up.
I got a fart.
Oh wow.
How's that gonna work? Oh, I better roll her down.
Oh my god.
Oh, you got
Holy, it stinks. Bull, roll down your window.
I got nervous.
Because the camera came on?
Yeah.
So day number 5, I believe. I think that's right. I don't know. I lost track what day we're on, but we took yesterday off, like I said, from doing any thrashing and are going today. Today is Sunday, so we will go as late as we can, and then hopefully the plan is to have a little bit left to do on Monday, tomorrow, and wrap that up, and then we'll be done with wheat harvest for the year. So we are on our last 220 acres of wheat around the farm. Today it is, what day is it today? It's Monday. 1:30, moisture's at 15.5-ish, somewhere around in there. And it's sunny and 76 degrees out. Winds southeast at 10 miles an hour. And the dew point is 60 degrees right now, or 58%. We'll be wrapping up with the wheat tomorrow. Plan is to head up to the up east and finish up the 120 acres that we have there. Probably go up there, start around 1 o'clock, be done by 4, and that would be we'd be wrapping it up tomorrow, then early afternoon. You're all protected.
Oh yeah.
You blowing them off? Dusty job. Look at all that.
Yeah.
That's just dandruff.
Yeah.
That thing's quite the tool. It's a lot of pressure behind that.
Yeah. Works good.
Yeah, it does. Gets the job done a lot faster.
It's hot.
Huh? Oh, that is hot. That's why you're wearing the gloves.
Yeah.
I was wondering why. Okay, well I'm gonna go get fertilizer.
Okay. And it's this side.
Huh?
This side's dustier.
Oh, that side's dustier? So as you saw there, Bo is blowing off the combines with the Solaire. And I am going to go and get some P&K for Dad. He is fresh out. So we're gonna go to the fertilizer plant and load this truck up. So we finished up the 220 acres of wheat around the farm last night. So now all the wheat is completely off around the farm, and now we just have the 120 acres east of the farm. Dad went and checked it last night, and he thought it might be still a little green as it got planted a lot later than everything else. The weather isn't really ideal right now for it to dry down. We must have a northerly wind because the smoke from the Canadian fires is really causing it to be cloudy. So he was going to go try it this afternoon just to see what it was like, but the sun's not coming out. Like I said, it's really smoky out. So if the sun don't come out, we won't be doing any thrashing today, and we'll just keep on fertilizing all of the wheat ground that is now combined off and working it in with the joker. What's going on with this?
Well, we got a set of chrome stacks and a set of black stacks to put on. And we got to adapt them from 4-inch down to this. And then he's got some touch-up to do.
Yeah, so Labor Day weekend. Got anything you got going on?
Not really. Might go down to Roseau for one day.
Oh, you might. That's what I was thinking too. It's supposed to be hot though.
Oh,
like
be miserable.
100, 98 to 100 degrees.
Yeah, 90 degrees here. So yeah, we got these chrome sacks that we gotta adapt onto there.
Oh, wow.
And then we got a set of regular ones too. We gotta paint black. And,
oh, those that are over there.
Yeah.
So what's the point of chrome and then a set of black? What's the deal with that?
Well, we kind of think it's going to look better with black ones.
So then you got to return those.
But he's selling it, so it's kind of one of those deals like
some
people like black and some people like chrome.
So someone bought this thing already, or?
No, but it's going to be for sale, or it is for sale, I guess.
So if anybody's looking for a 1468 International, she's for sale. We'll let her go for cheap. I think $1,000.
Yeah, maybe 2.
Yeah. Right, Mark? I'm trying to sell your International here, and I said asking price is $1,000.
Hey.
Oh, never mind.
Just link his phone number in the
Yeah,
bottom.
I'll link it below. Dad went to check the wheat yesterday up in the east area, over east.
Yeah.
I didn't hear what was going on, but I know I told him the other day that we had 120 acres left and we were going to do it yesterday.
Yeah.
Didn't plan out that way. I don't know if it's too green yet.
I think so. I wasn't up there either. I was waiting to go
Right.
up there. And
Yeah, I got the text saying, no, we're not going till next Tuesday.
Yeah.
Finish it. So we won't get that on this video. How's she coming along?
Got the pipe down.
You decided to go with the chrome then?
Yeah. Yeah, Bo made the black ones here.
Oh, those look nice.
Yeah, he did a nice job. And then I painted them, and that's basically what I've been doing, is just running around painting things. But yeah, I mean, it looks nice, but the chrome looks pretty.
The chrome I like.
The chrome looks better.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Do you like it? You said you like it?
Yeah, I think it looks good. So starting bids are $1,000.
$1,000, yeah.
Yeah, Bo said we're gonna put your number in the description. So just give them a call if you're interested.
No one's interested.
No one's interested? We haven't even asked anybody. No, if people are seriously interested, they can email us or comment. And then what are you working on over here?
I'll just straighten up. Somebody hit these axles with a hammer at one time.
And when he says somebody, it's not me this time.
So I'll just grind them off, add some weld, grind them smooth like I did on the other side.
Oh, that's what you were doing on the other side then.
I got the other side.
We'll go check out this other side. So you just have to paint it then, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, that looks much better.